Here at home, if you spent any time out near Lake Erie this past holiday weekend, you might have noticed the water turning more green while the algal blooms begin to concentrate. We were wondering, will this impact Northwest Ohio water? Let's bring in meteorologist Davis Wells, who spoke with an expert on the lake's latest conditions. Davis, what were you told, and is there any threat here?
Well, earlier today, the National Centers for Coastal Ocean Science released an updated report on Lake Erie's harmful algal bloom forecast. The bloom in western Lake Erie covers about 300 square miles, which was observed just the other day on August 31st. Satellite imagery shows the bloom extending from Maumee Bay north to Stony Point, Michigan, and east to Port Clinton, which patches reaching the Lake Erie Islands. The water is safe to drink. However, officials warn that toxins have been detected above the recreational limit in western Lake Erie, as well as it reaching its peak for the season. While the appearance of the lake may become greener later this week as a cold front moves through, causing winds and those waves to increase, Dr. Thomas Bridgman says the threat is quite minimal.
Well, if you see a lot of green stuff at the beach, you should probably still stay out of the water because it can become concentrated by wind and wave action. But if the bloom extends into October or so, it's not going to be, it may not look great, but it won't be that serious in terms of risks to humans.
And with the lake waters cooling for the year, the likelihood of additional issues coming up do not appear likely. Reporting in studio, Davis Wells, WTOL 11.